Some little ducks are very near. Let's count them together, one by one. Ready? Here we go! One little duck goes quack, quack, waddling slow, then coming back. Quack, quack here, quack, quack there. Ducks are dancing everywhere. One little duck says hello. How many more? Let's watch and go. Two little ducks swim side by side, splish and splash with joy and pride. Three little ducks jump up high, flapping wings against the sky. Quack, quack here, quack, quack there. Feathers flying through the air. 2, 3 ducks having fun. Let's keep counting, we're not done. 4 little ducks line up in hats, marching forward just like that. 5 little ducks spin round and round, dancing ducks upon the ground. 6 little ducks slide down the hill. We quack, they cry so full of thrill. Quack, quack here, quack, quack there. Let's keep counting, no turning back. 4, 5, 6, spin and glide. More quacky friends are at our side. 7 little ducks splash in muddy puddles, hopping, splashing, big loud bubbles. 8 little ducks play peek-a-boo. Where are you? Then here we are. Quack, quack, boo. Where are the ducks? Quack, quack. Now they're back. Come quack, quack, quack. 9 little ducks march down a lane, steady steps in a sunny rain. 10 little ducks form a happy ring, flapping wings they dance and sing. Quack, quack here and quack, quack there. 10 bright ducks are everywhere. Let's count once more, nice and clear. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 10, hooray! Our ducks are tired, the day is done. Close your eyes, dream of quack, quack fun. Until tomorrow when we play again, counting ducks from 1 to 10.